Hello friends. How are you all? In today's video, I will show you how to create an approved account for Applovin. But sometimes people face some issues in getting the account approved. In that case, I will also show you an alternative option. First, let me explain what Applovin is. It is a popular ad network that allows you to earn by showing ads in mobile apps. It is especially effective for game developers and app developers. If you are unable to get approval yourself, then I will also show you an option to purchase an approved Applovin account from me. Let's move towards that option. Now we will show step by step how to create an approved Applovin account. Step 1. Sign up 1. Visit the official website of Applovin. 2. Click on the sign up button and provide your email, password, and required information. Step 2. Email verification. 1. You will receive a verification link in your email. 2. Click on the link to activate your account. Step 3. Adding app information. 1. Log in and go to the dashboard. 2. Provide the name of your app, platform, Android, iOS, and download link. Step 4. Check policies. 1. Verify if your app's content complies with Applovin's policies. 2. Apply for approval. If you are unable to get an Applovin account approved, no worries. I'll show you an alternative. Alternative 1. Purchase an approved account. Many people are unable to get approved accounts from Applovin, especially new ones. However, if you wish to purchase an approved Applovin account from me, I can provide you with a fully approved account. Your app will work only for ads, and I will provide all necessary sign-in and data. Alternative 2. Purchase through others. You can search on some reliable platforms or freelance sites where people sell their approved accounts. If you wish to purchase the account from me, you can contact via the number or email provided on the screen. I will provide the necessary assistance and the account. If you face these issues: 1. Incorrect app information. 2. The app does not comply with Applovin's policies. 3. Delays in providing additional information. Then you can avoid these issues by purchasing an approved account from me. So friends, this was the guide on creating an Applovin account and purchasing an alternative account. If you need further assistance, please comment. If you want to purchase the account from me, contact via the number or email on the screen. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe.